The year is 2026, and Formula One is entering a new era. At the heart of this revolution stands the Mercedes-AMG W16 E Performance, the car designed to redefine speed, sustainability, and engineering precision on the world's fastest circuits. Under the 2026 regulations, Formula One is shifting towards a greener future with advanced hybrid power units and sustainable fuels, and Mercedes isn't just keeping up, it's leading. The W16 E Performance is not just another race car. It's the embodiment of Mercedes' vision for the future, where cutting-edge electrification meets relentless performance. So what's under the hood? The Mercedes-AMG W16 E Performance features a next-generation 1.6-liter turbocharged V6 engine paired with an advanced hybrid system. But here's where it gets exciting. Under the 2026 rules, the electric motor now delivers nearly 50% of the total power output, providing instant torque out of corners while maintaining the thrilling roar of a combustion engine. The car is designed to run on fully sustainable synthetic fuels, cutting down carbon emissions dramatically while keeping the visceral thrill alive. Aerodynamically, the W16 E Performance introduces active aero technology aligned with the new chassis rules, allowing the car to reduce drag on straights and increase downforce in corners. This means higher top speeds on tracks like Austin while retaining stability through technical sections in Miami. The design remains unmistakably Mercedes, with a low-slung body, aggressive front-wing architecture, and sleek airflow management that enhances battery cooling and reduces turbulence. The 2026 regulations also emphasize weight reduction, and Mercedes has utilized lightweight carbon composites and innovative suspension layouts to improve agility and tire management. Combined with the advanced hybrid system, the car offers superior energy regeneration, enabling drivers to push harder without sacrificing efficiency. The W16 E Performance is expected to deliver over 1,000 horsepower combined, with lightning-fast deployment of electric power out of slow corners and incredible stability under braking. This is Mercedes' answer to balancing sustainability with uncompromised speed on the grid. For fans, this means closer racing, higher speeds, and even more overtaking opportunities as drivers harness instant electric torque while dueling on straights. It's the future of Formula One, a perfect blend of sound, speed, and sustainability. The Mercedes-AMG W16 E Performance is more than a car. It's a statement that the future of motorsport is electric and exciting. As it hits the grid in 2026, we will witness the evolution of Formula One, where performance meets responsibility. If you're as excited as we are to see the W16 E Performance take on the world's best, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our in-depth analysis, track reactions, and behind-the-scenes insights when Mercedes unleashes this masterpiece in 2026.